Hi everyone, welcome to Build in Public with Jahid. I'm Jahid, the vibe coder at Natively. This is my 10th day of 30 days challenge where I'm building a simple Christmas app and give it away to one of you. So today I'm gonna build a simple and snowball throwing game. So let's start building it and see how it is. And if you want to take the ownership, please comment in the comment section and let's build it together. So I can share the ownership to you and you can actually build that as well. So I'm sharing the screen. And today I wanted to record this one early morning, so it's 10:25 here. So this is my prompt. Build a simple, fun snowball throwing game. I give it a go. So yeah, like today I want to start the recording a bit earlier because we have a lot of work, afternoon and then the evening, lots of customer support and other things. So I was like, okay, let me just, do this recording early morning so that I have, you know, that I'm sticking with my challenge because this is the 10th day of my 30 days challenge and I really committed, to finish this challenge. So yeah, and simply the idea is to build a simple, Christmas app every day for 30 days. And yeah, I'm building today a simple, fun, snowball throwing game, which most of us, I think I don't know anyone that doesn't like snow. And when we see snow, we just like make a snowball and then you like throw it at each other and then like try to make fun, just like play with it and then just having a chill time. So I was like, yeah, let's just build something like that today. Yep. And let me know what you're building. If you're building anything like any app for Christmas, December, winter, let me know what that app is. And also, if you want to build something with me together, like any Christmas idea, please, just let me know in the comment section and then let's get in touch and then happy to have you on board and let's build it together. Yeah, so simply I'm doing this challenge because I know that building apps are so easy now with AI and with natively. So why not to build it? Like why not to take the first step and kind of kill our fear of not knowing how to code, but also not knowing how to do and how to build something. So I think we are now living in an era that everything is possible. So there is no impossible thing now in the world. Yep. Nice. So we have a simple app here. I think we don't need to have a backend. Of course, we can have a backend. That we actually have profile information, and then like the data is saved somewhere. But to be honest, I feel that we don't need it. It's just more of a game, so we just don't need to store anything. We can play around with the design a bit. That could be something that fun we can do. Nice. This looks great. Yeah, and natively is a tool that it's mainly for non-developer people, non-technical people that they don't know how to code, so they can use and then build mobile apps with just prompting and talking. And what really matters here is that how do you prompt? How do you talk with AI? And are you clear enough? Are you making sense even for AI sometimes? So I think like here is really kind of being very clear with your prompts and also asking one thing per prompt is really the key here. And because sometimes we want to optimize the usage of the prompts, we just want to ask everything in one prompt, but that's gonna mess up the whole structure. And also, it really makes AI to take a lot of time, like longer time to process and then build something. For me, I really like simple, fast development, and because so I want to see how it is. So every time, like when I see, I want to see how it is, how it works. Does it even work or not? And if you scan this QR code, then you can see the app on your mobile phone, so which is a nice feeling. So let's of talking, and then yeah, this is our app. What I do simply, I have a design from yesterday. So this is the design that I have. So what I'm gonna tell now here is that please use this only for the branding and design. Keep the app structure as it is. Yeah, let's give it a go. So we will have a bit nicer Christmas vibe type of design. So yeah, for me, my go-to design places like Pinterest, I can just copy and then like, work on some of those designs and then expand them. I'm not a designer myself, but I try to do something in Figma, design and, sketch some stuff. But really, I think now what really matters is the design, like, because everyone can build an app, So if you're building it for yourself, okay, whatever, like whatever design you like. But if you want to build it for others, having a nice design really matters. And then combining a nice design, with a nice app and like, like an app that solves a problem is like, boom, like it's like the killer the killer app. It's the base app. Nice. So yeah, it copied the design, but it didn't change the structure. So this is, yeah. So like here you see the from how I prompt, so you just have to be clear, because sometimes when you give the design, it actually understands that it has to change the structure as well. So it has to copy the design, the structure. So it tries to copy almost 100% of what you have given. So that's why like you have to actually mention that what you really want. And here I was clear that okay, just don't change the structure, just change the design only. I don't know how does it play. Okay, yeah, I have to make it work. Okay, yeah, like there should be some ways, like a different one. Okay, but yeah, this is like a simple app that I built. So I mean, we didn't want to continue much more, because I would like one of you to take over and then like kind of build it what like how you want. But this is like how you can build a simple app, just a few prompts. So this is already good enough. It's already a good start to actually take it off and then kind of like build the logic of the game, because here you just need like okay, how the game should play and how the game should actually work. So you just have to put a logic here and then it will work. So yeah, this is a simple snowball throwing app that I have built with just 2 prompts. So if you'd like to take the ownership of this app, please comment. But also there's a link in the description where you can actually build your apps, and then you can also get 5 free prompts from that once you start your plan with Natively. So thanks to our partner Natively for this month challenge partnership, but also let me know what you want me to build. I can build some other things as well, like with whips, with agent automation. So just let me know what you like, and then I'm happy to do whatever you like, and then let's build together. So the idea is simply that everything is possible, and let's build anything. Thanks a lot, and have a nice Wednesday morning, evening, or afternoon. So yeah, and see you all tomorrow. Bye.